they're taking the skill check, you're walking around with this and you're simply putting a P, an A, or an N. You'll be able to see how they're doing. You don't need them to finish the whole introduction. You'll be able to walk around, think, yep, this kid's got it, P, this kid's struggling, A, W for approaching, N needs development. And by the end of the skill check, you know the strengths and weaknesses of your students. That way you can say, ooh, I just gave a skill check and 18 of my 22 have N's. I'm not moving on to the next lesson, or I'm reteaching introduction. They obviously didn't get it. Or at the end of the week, if you see 7 have N's for introduction and 7 have N's for planning and 5 have N's for topic sentences, you can pull skill groups. This is going to allow you to track every skill that you're teaching and how your students are doing. And sometimes you're just going to pause where you are and reteach. So there's no point of going on to the next paragraph if they didn't get in the previous paragraph. But it'd be impossible if we weren't tracking. If you just gave a quiz and then took it home and scored it over the next couple of days, you've already moved on. This allows you to track as they're doing it.